So I have already created my background layer. So now select the text tool. So the foreground, this is the HTML notation, the foreground, press OK. And now left click and now type your text. And now Control A to select all text. I'm going to change the size to 400, press OK. And then I'm going to change the font to Lobster. And now select the alignment tool. Make sure the align is relative to the image, and now let's align it horizontally and then vertically. And now go to filter, light and shadow, and then select long shadow. So I'm going to left click on the color. I'm going to select the white color since I want my highlights to be white. Press OK. For the style, it's finite. I'm going to change the angle. I'm going to make the angle here like this. And now I'm just going to reduce the length. So it's up to you. So I'm going to leave it like this. The composition is shadow plus image, and then press OK. And now I'm going to add an outline around the text and the highlight or the long shadow. Let's go back to filter, light and shadow, and then this time select drop shadow. In order to create an outline with the drop shadow, I'm going to reduce the X and Y to 0. The chain icon here is linked. So double click, type 0, press enter. Reduce the blur radius all the way down. Increase the opacity all the way up. And now for the color, left click, I'm going to select this color here. So here is the HTML notation. And now press OK. And now we can see the outline. We just need to increase the grow radius. So for the grow shape, I selected circle. So here it is. Can still, for example, change it to square or diamond. So I think the circle one is much better. Press OK. And now the good thing here is that the text is editable. So let's select the text tool, left click, double click, and now let's type, for example, another text. So here, or Control A, let's type another one. So let's go back to our previous text. And for the color, Control A, you can still change the text color, left click. So let's say, for example, I will select this blue here, press OK. So here it is, doesn't look very good. And for the highlight, the white highlight, the long shadow, and the outline with the drop shadow, just left click on the FX here. And here, if I double click on the long shadow, I can change the setting, and I can change, for example, here the color. So here it is. So press OK. And you can also, for example, change the size. Just double click. Let's type, for example, 350, press enter.